Just wanted to make a quick video about this fast USB-C charging port, just off of Amazon. It could charge quickly, and laptops that take USB-C. Also, you don't have to switch out your original 12-volt outlet. Many people, like on the Tundras, they switch this whole thing for a USB connector, but this one works well and you don't have to do anything. It's short, so it doesn't close all the way, but it's almost all the way close. It doesn't click. So that's the only drawback, but I haven't had any issues with it. Now on the front, I'll show you the front. On the front, you can see that what I did, I just removed the cover, because again, the blue light is not at night. It doesn't hurt the eyes or bothers, and also you can see where it's at, the charging. I did that for both, and again it matches with the blue of the Tundra OE lights on that, and then on the mirror, as you can see, it's blue too, so it goes pretty well. And so on the front, what I did was I just you have to snap this backwards, so you don't even have to remove this thing. What you do is you have to unsnap it, and how you do that is you just push it back on. But just be careful that if you just want to like this, it doesn't look that bad. Another thing, if it doesn't, would be to kind of make this black and then take this off, and then they'll look a lot better. But if you're okay with it like I am, you could just obviously leave it on. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with y'all, and so y'all don't have to go through the trouble of removing this to make it fast charging.